Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us at Money 2020 in Vegas, we have Paula Arregui. She is the Chief Operating Officer of Mercado Pago. We're going to talk about financial inclusion in Latin America. Paula, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Nice to meet you, Jill. Great to be here.
Tell us about Mercado Pago.
Mercado Pago is the financial arm of Mercado Libre, which is the largest e-commerce site in Latin America. So we launched Mercado Pago 3 years after we launched Mercado Libre because we realized that we needed to process online digital payments for our marketplace. So after launching that solution for the marketplace, we realized that we had a huge opportunity in the region to bring digital payments to a huge mass of users that were not receiving payments, digital payments at all. So we opened our platform for any person, company, small business who wants to receive digital payments. And in the year 2015, we also realized that we had a huge chance in physical world where many of the stores were unbanked, and digital payments were not occurring at all. So cash was the king. So nowadays we're serving payment solutions, credit solutions, investments, and also insurance. So the four financial pillars for a huge amount of users every month in Latin America.
Right, and also for our viewers, Mercado Libre, of course, a Nasdaq-listed company, one of our constituents for the Nasdaq 100. How has Mercado Pago contributed to financial inclusion in the region?
It's basically the way where we started our journey. Instead of going from the top of the pyramid as many of the incumbents did, we went from the top of the pyramid, so basically reaching the very long tail of our population that were unbanked or underbanked, and they did not have any kind of connection or reach for the financial world. And we had to reinvent the value prop, the distribution channels, the solutions of our products in a very, very different way. So we are starting the move-up market, but the first segment to serve were people that were really out of the system.
And you think about future plans. What's next for Mercado Pago?
We are trying to change our mind from like product solving to a principality in the usage of financial services through our app. So we are concentrating the four financial pillars. We're making this very good bonding with the marketplace. So digital power in the two platforms that we are operating with this quantity of products that we are distributing, cards, credits, investments, insurance policies, MPOSs. That's a huge part of the impacts that we are making in financial industry and bringing like these new segments of people that were not using them at all.
I mean, you think about it, in Latin America, the consumer, the investor, the opportunity for growth there is tremendous. I mean, it's a big population that continues to grow. The middle class continues to grow. Their purchasing power continues to grow. So there really is an opportunity for the business here.
There's a huge opportunity, basically because the financial infrastructure was not in place. So we had to build. We were part of the industry that transformed financial services in the region. So the opportunity is very, very big. A lot of startups, digital banks, neobanks, fintech companies trying to make an impact in there. So we are seeing like the whole industry boosting together and coming together to change what happened in the last years.
All right, Paula, appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks, and thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.